Guys, this video is about frequency. And looking at circular motion, another useful measurement in how circular motion is, how it repeats itself, is something called frequency. So the number of revolutions that an object completes in a given amount of time is called the frequency. So what we have for frequency is number of revolutions per time. Okay? And that's the frequency of an object going in circular motion. And the symbol we're going to use is F, and the unit will be measured in something called hertz. So often we're given the time it takes for an object to make a number of revolutions. So here's the formula for frequency. Frequency equals the number of revolutions, that n we used prior, number of revolutions divided by the time. Okay, so a common example that we can use would be on the dashboard of a car. You have something called a tachometer, which measures the revolutions per minute, RPMs of the engine's crankshaft. So if we take a look at this simple formula for circular motion, so if we say an object travels 50 times in 10 seconds, what's the frequency? So let's see. We've got 50 times in 10 seconds. Okay. Then what's the frequency of this object? So we can just simply plug this in. Frequency is the number of revolutions. We said 50. And then the time is 10 seconds. So the frequency here is 5 hertz. Okay? Now we're gonna flip it around a little bit, and we're gonna look at another one that says if a wheel spins with a frequency, so it's given us the frequency of 8 hertz, how much time will it take to spin around 16 times? So the time is in question here, and the n is 16 times. So again, F equals n over t. We're solving for t, so we're going to get n by itself. I'll multiply by t. Okay, ft's equal to n. Divide through by f. So t ends up being n over f. Okay, this may be the second formula that you decide to write down. So let's see what it is. Time is the number 16 times over the frequency of 8 hertz. So it looks like the time is 2 seconds. Okay, so the question was, how much time would it take to spin around 16 times? This would be 2 seconds. Okay? All right, we'll stop there for frequency and maybe get into a couple more problems about that shortly.